Salama alaikum. Leader or manager? Today we shall discuss an interesting topic that is very important to all of us. Myself, Samir, and my partner Abdul will be hosting this program. So, what is the difference between a leader and a manager? When we discuss project management and project leadership, the first question is, are we talking about the same thing? The answer is no, we are not. Now, let us see some details regarding the difference between a leader and a manager. Leadership and management are distinct concepts. Management emphasizes task completion. Management is also concerned with achieving results and the necessary work. Management also focuses on getting the project done. For leadership, there's a prioritization for emotional intelligence. Leadership inspires collaboration towards significant goals. Leadership is centered around motivating and inspiring individuals. So, to compare the roles of a manager and a leader, let's start with a manager. A manager is someone who is responsible for organizing and overseeing tasks, resources, and people to achieve specific goals or objectives. They focus on planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling resources and processes within an organization to ensure efficiency and effectiveness. Managers often have formal authority and are accountable for the performance and outcomes of their team or department. Next, for leaders, a leader is someone who influences, inspires, and guides others towards a common vision or goal. They focus on motivating, empowering, and developing individuals or teams to reach their full potential and contribute to the success of the organization. Leaders often have informal authority and are respected for their vision, values, and ability to inspire others to follow them. While managers are primarily concerned with tasks, processes, and resources to achieve objectives, Leaders focus on people, vision, and inspiration to foster growth and success within an organization. Leaders focus on people, vision, and inspiration to foster growth and success within an organization. While managers are primarily concerned with tasks, processes, and resources to achieve objectives, leaders focus on people, vision, and inspiration to foster growth and success within an organization. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Next topic will be the qualities and skills of a leader.